using color picker from Canva itself. Here I'll take one image from which I want to pick some color. Let's say maybe this. I'll copy this image and paste it here. Now I have my image here, which is multiple colors here. Now I want, let's say, first I want this pink shade. Go to document colors. Now here you can see this, pick a color from the design. Click on this and choose selected area. Here you can see the difference. So let's say I want this color. Here I have this color same. Let's say maybe I want to put some element and just to create a variation here. Now here I want another color. Add new color. Let's say maybe I want this color. So here if you see, we have created a variation like in above image. See this. And we can pick more colors from this image and use the same. Let's say maybe I want to put some text, and here in this text I want that green color from above image. Let's say this. Go to text, again document colors, pick a color, and here I can select. See this? You'll be able to pick the exact colors. You can use either Colorzilla or you can use the tool which is already there on Canva.